Welcome. So in this lesson, we're going to start a new idea called logarithms. Now, logarithms sound scary and it sounds like a brand new thing, but actually it isn't brand new at all. It's something very familiar. And apart from the fact that it looks scary, it's pretty straightforward as well. So before we jump into the notes, I actually just want to take a second and explore the idea before we write anything down. So I don't want you to write anything down. I just want you watching the screen as I talk through these three things before us. Okay, let's look up here. Here I have 2 cubed is equal to 8. 2 is the base, the 3 is the power, and the 8 is the answer. Now, we know that we can represent this truth in a different way. We could represent it like this. This is saying 8 cubed is equal to 2, in which case 8 is the answer, 3 is the power, and it's equal to 2, which is the base. So as you can see here, the output is the answer 8. But over here, the output is the base, which is 2. So these are just 2 different ways of representing the same idea. Hopefully you can see how these 2 things are very much connected to each other. Well, in today's lesson, we're just adding a third way to represent the same truth yet again. And it's this. It's log with a base of 2 of 8 is equal to 3. So as you can see, the base of 2 is now here. 8 is now here, so the answer. And the output is now the power, which is 3. So as you can see here, it's just 3 different ways of representing the same truth. Here, the output is 8, which is the answer. Here, the output is 2, which is the base, and here the output is 3, which is the power. They're all telling us the same thing. So even though that logs are a new idea that we're learning today, you can see it's not that much of a complicated idea. We kind of already know the basics of all of it. It's just getting our head around this new notation. And you've just got to get used to this notation and what each of these numbers mean. And that's really all there is to it. So hopefully this has been a little bit of an introduction and just getting you situated to what we're going to learn. Now we're going to turn back to the notes and work through them. Okay, I'll stop here and I'll see you in the next part.